Haas Automation is the largest machine tool builder in North and South America and one of the top 5 machine tool builders in the world. We build CNC machine tools to manufacture products of every type. We have more than 170 Haas factory outlets worldwide in more than 60 countries. We want our customers worldwide to have the same experience that we provide to our customers here in the United States. And the only way we can really do that is for it to be in their native language. And so we expanded from 12 languages, which we had on our old website, to now we currently are 26 languages. I'm responsible for our global localization efforts, which is all of our translations. With our old website and our old system of how we did the translation, it was very cumbersome, very time intensive, very expensive. Our product line changes on a weekly, monthly basis. So it's easy to make those changes in our English version of the website, but we needed to be able to make those changes on all of our translated versions of the website. So we needed a solution that would allow us to do that quickly and efficiently. Once we moved to GlobalLink as our translation management system, it became much easier to launch new languages.
Ever since we started using GlobalLink, everything has kind of flowed very smoothly. The connector pretty much does my job for me. We tell the connector, hey, let's get this page translated. And the connector says, I can do that. And it does it. What could have taken me hours in my day only takes a couple of minutes because the connector is so easy to use. There's a magic on the TransPerfect side that does whatever I need when I need.
We value TransPerfect as a partner because it really is a partnership. I have people that I can email any time of the day and get a response back quickly, usually within the hour, if not faster. The level of service that's provided by TransPerfect is the kind of service that we provide to our customers. We're a sole source solution, and we were looking for the same thing from a translation service provider. And that's what we found with TransPerfect.